Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload high quality pictures to Facebook. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now I'm on my iPhone. You can do the same steps on Android as well. The first thing you're going to want to do is hop into your settings. So let's open up settings here. And we'll just scroll down until we get to camera on here and tap on camera. Now there are a few different things on here depending on if you're taking photos or videos. You want to make sure everything is as basically high quality as possible. So record videos. Now if I go back to formats here, you can see a couple things. Camera capture. You probably want to choose most compatible. This will be most likely to be compatible with whatever Facebook uses to bring that in and shows that photo. So after you've done this and you set all the settings in the camera on your phone, the next thing you can do is hop into Facebook here, and you'll see if I tap on what's on your mind, tap on photo and video, I can choose any given photo, say this one, and I hit done. The unfortunate thing is that basically going through this process that Facebook basically downgrades the quality of this and reduces the size. This is so that it's easy that anybody can load it and quickly load it and see it. So if you go through this process and you still don't like the quality, another option you have is always to use a third-party service like Flickr. This is a great option. Basically all you have to do is upload a photo in here. This will do a much better job having high resolution great photo on here, and then you can just share the link from your Flickr photo over to Facebook and it will be full high resolution. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.